Oh, I sound like Steve, I can't start with right. Hello, lovely people in my phone, and today I've got a quick tip for you. Be careful how you say that, won't you? And it is, well, today's dinner is chicken kyivs, not homemade, sorry, these are shop bought, they're from Sainsbury's, and they're really good. I've spoken about them before, and here they are. And do you find that when you cook a chicken kyiv, particularly a shop bought one, most of the garlic butter oozes out and it's in the bottom of the tray and it gets burned with all the breadcrumby bits, and you're just like, oh, that was a bit of a waste, won't it? Got a tip for you. Just lay a slice of bread, just ordinary sliced white will do, on the bottom of your oven tray or your air fryer, whichever you're using, and sit your chicken kyivs on top of that and cook as normal. Any butter that oozes out, and there's always some, isn't there, will actually go into the bread, so you get a bonus free garlic bread. Well, that's what I'm doing tonight, so I'll show you it when it's done. Right, the kyivs have cooked, and so has our garlic bread, our free garlic bread. So let me just get something and get them out, and then I can show, oops, I'm moving you, aren't I? Sorry about that. And then I can show you exactly what has happened. Right, there's our kyiv, nicely baked. And here is our garlic bread. So next time you're having kyivs, why not do exactly as I had and put that slice of bread, just get very crispy, underneath your chicken kyiv, and get yourself a free garlic bread. Let me just get another one out, because obviously there's two of us. So there's two kyivs, however you like to pronounce it. There you go. Ah, flipping heck. There you go, golden and buttery. So that is our quick tip. All done. Thank you for watching. Hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you again next time in the kitchen with Pen. Bye bye for now.